Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If your Windows 11 PC is slow, not working properly, or you want to sell or give it away, the best option is to reset it. In today's video, I will show you how to reset your Windows 11 PC back to factory setting. So let's get started. Here I will show you two ways. One, if you can open Windows normally, and another if your PC won't start at all. So my first method would be reset from Windows setting. So this method works if you can log in and use your computer normally. So first go to your desktop screen and on the taskbar right click the start button. From the menu that opens, click on settings. On the left side, click system. Now scroll down and select recovery. Under recovery, you will see an option called reset this PC. Click the reset PC button. And at this point, a new window will open and asks how you want to reset your computer. So here you will get two options. Keep my files. That means this will keep your personal files like photos, documents, but it can remove apps and settings. Okay. And second option is remove everything. This will remove all your files, apps and settings. So for a clean reset, I recommend choosing remove everything. But make sure you back up your files before you do this. Next, Windows will ask how you want to reinstall the Windows system. Cloud download. This means this will download a fresh copy of Windows 11 from Microsoft server. It takes more time and needs internet, but it is useful if your computer has a problem. And the second option is local reinstall. This will reinstall Windows using the files already on your computer. So it's a faster, but if your system is badly corrupted, it may not fix everything. Okay. Once you pick cloud or local, Windows will show you a list of changes that will happen. You can also change settings here. You may see extra options like clean data. That means if you choose yes, Windows will fully wipe your drive. So it will be best if you are selling or giving away the PC. You can also toggle yes to download Windows, and you will also get a delete files from all drives if you have a more than one drive or partition. So once you make your selection, Windows will show you a final summary screen. If you are happy with the choices, click next. Once you are sure, click reset. Your PC will restart and begin the reset process. Your screen will turn blue and you will see a message that says resetting this PC along with a percentage bar showing the progress. The reset process can take anywhere from nearly 20 minutes to a few hours. So depending on the options you selected, the size of your hard drive, and how fast your PC is. During this time, your computer will restart several times on its own, so which is completely normal. You don't need to press any keys or interfere with the process, just let Windows complete the reset in the background. When it finishes, your computer will restart and bring you to the Windows 11 setup screen, just like when you first brought it. Now follow the on-screen instruction to complete the setup. You will be asked to choose your region, keyboard layout, then connect to a Wi-Fi network and sign in with your Microsoft account, or you can create a local account. You can also set up a PIN for a quick sign-in, adjust privacy setting and choose whether to sync with OneDrive. Once done, you will land on your fresh Windows 11 desktop just like a brand new PC. Okay, let's start with the method 2, that means reset from advanced startup. Sometimes your PC may not start properly. In that case, you can still reset it using these methods. So this is the Windows login screen, the screen where you normally type your password. Okay. So at the bottom right corner, click the power icon. Now press and hold the shift key on your keyboard. And while holding it, click restart. Your computer will restart and take you to the advanced startup options menu. On the blue screen that appears, click on troubleshoot. Then select reset this PC. Just like before, you will see two choices. Keep my files, that means keep your personal files but remove apps and settings. And remove everything means wipe all files, apps and settings. Again, I suggest choosing remove everything for a proper reset. Next, choose the reinstall method. Cloud download. Download a fresh copy of Windows 11 from Microsoft. And a local reinstall means faster but uses existing files on your computer. At this stage, you may also see a message, do you want to keep this PC set up for your workplace? If this is a company or school laptop, you can choose yes, and if it's your personal PC, you can choose no. After that, Windows will ask if you want to remove files from just the drives where Windows is installed or from all drives. So I am going to select all drives. Next, Windows will ask how you want to reset. Just remove my files. This is the first start and fine if you are keeping the PC. And another option is fully clean the drive. This takes longer but wipes everything securely, which is better if you are selling or giving away the PC, okay? So finally, Windows will show you a summary of your choice. If everything looks good, click reset to start the process. When it's done, you will see a Windows 11 setup screen ready for you to configure just like a brand new PC. And that's it guys, you now know how to factory reset your Windows 11 PC using two different methods. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss more useful guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.